Hello.
Hello.
We are now
Hello.
currently at, where are we?
A trout farm.
A trout farm. That's what we decided on the video, to go to a trout farm.
Yes. Are you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a vlog, basically.
Jade is just...
La. This is Jade. Oh, Jade is so swag.
I'll probably follow.
Jade Nash, the swagalicious girl.
Oh yeah.
Except you've got a dorky hat, so.
Oh, that's great.
I'm joking.
It's great.
Your hat's swag because it's all
Hello,
white.
Jade.
Mine has flowers on it. Hi, Holly. She's going to
Follow
assassinate
me on I Am Holly.
Holly, you don't even post anything.
Well, I do, but I've forgotten to post for a few weeks.
I think we're about to go into the
Sorry about that.
fish trout place. This probably sounds really lame, we're going to a trout farm. But apparently Ashley said it was fun.
Yeah.
It's so fun, girl.
Okay. And it's one of the best tourist attractions.
It's so awesome, which is
fishy.
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Oh yeah, I got a stick. That's wonderful.
Oh,
Where'd the bait go?
oh. Someone ate the bait
Someone ate the bait.
and exchanged it for a...
Sorry, it's
Oh.
not
Oh. Oh.
Is that tight?
Hey, hold on. Don't grab the hook.
I'm not. I'm trying to grab the string.
Okay.
The heavy ball.
It's called a sinker. Oh,
Can you hold on to this? Because I can't do anything.
what am I doing? Hang on.
So, right now we're going fishing. Ashley's about to cast her rod. Oh. And her rod's getting tangled. Tangled rod, oh my god. What?
Tangled.
Oh yeah.
Not in this.
And my rod is getting replaced by Ashley's dad. Because the end of the rod keeps falling off. Like the little tip bit with the hole for the strings. So sad. But look at the water. It's filled with fishies. Not that you can see it, but whatever. There's like a little... I don't know if my head's in the way, but there's like a spot in the middle somewhere. Oh, there's fish.
Where?
Over there somewhere.
I can get that.
Over there where the vibrations are in the water.
Yeah.
See where the ripples are?
I can get that.
Oh my god, Ash.
How did that happen?
I don't know. She just threw and it came back to her. Wind it up. Wind it, buddy, wind it.
I'm not the fish.
Keep winding.
Wind it, wind it,
Just wind it until your swag is so swagalicious. Wind it. I'm gonna move out of the way and show Ashley.
Oh!
Where did that go? It again. Oh my god, mate. Doing it wrong. She's doing it wrong.
Down the whole time?
I don't know.
Or maybe it's because it's tangled.
Yep, it's tangled there.
How did that happen?
I don't know. How are you doing, Holly?
Where's my bait?
I don't know. Go get some more. Ooh, it's getting all serious now.
Oh, it's there. Okay.
Ooh, you caught a stick. Oh my god, you caught a wonderful stick. Go get it then.
I know that
Go get it.
I hate the corn. The marshmallows work better. There's only like one marshmallow left.
Yay, I'm getting the marshmallow. Ew, it's all soggy. Yucky. Holly, I got your marshmallow.
Maybe they prefer no glitter.
It's all soggy.
I don't
Ew.
need that. I can just. Maybe they prefer non-glittered ones. Ones with no.
Is there only one left? You used the last one. She's using the last marshmallow. So what has happened? I've got yet another rod, and it is tangled.
Yes.
So now I think we're gonna go into the inside one, and then we'll catch fish because there's like lots of fish
Oh, is
in
it working, Dad? Oh.
No.
Hers is not working either. It's not working. We want some fishies. But I'm not gonna kill a fish. Okay? I'm not killing a fish.
Yeah, I'm
you
not.
can kill it. I'm not bashing it in the head. That's evil. It is evil to bash fish. They never did anything wrong.
You're leaving today. It's only been like how long?
I don't know.
We got there like 24. Like when you leave, it will pretty much be 24 hours. Well, it's gonna be 48.
Lots of tangle. Now we need new rods and new place to find fish.
Yeah.
Talk to the chap. The chap will help you. The chap will help you. Do 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 do. Chappy chap chap. Chappy chap 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 chap. The chap. The chap's gonna help. The chap. The chap's gonna help. Chap. The chap is gonna help. Chap. The chap. I don't know if that was in everything. Hang on, you have to go like this. Water and sun is in my eyes.
Yeah.
Hang on. Here we go. Now you can't see my face. It's a good thing. Yay. Wonderful. Nope. We're going inside because we don't have good patience. And fishing is very, very annoying. It takes a long time. So we're gonna go inside where there's lots and lots of fish.
Yeah.
Yay. Bye-bye. See you inside.
Okay. Okay.
Holly's got one.
Just gentle, gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
Oh my god.
Over there, right there. I've got one. Got one.
I felt something, but I don't know if it's on it. It's climbing up the bait. That's ridiculous. That's like the fifth time that happened. Cause it's so Jade. Oh, not yet.
something. She has something.
You're the best girl.
Making that drag, sing it through.
Moving really fast.
Yeah, just stop for a moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten up this drag. It doesn't sound like it's quite getting anywhere. Give it a wind now.
Don't drop the fishing rod.
Yeah, so?
So I think the sinker's at the end of the rod, so you're not going to be able to wind any further. Just lift your rod.
Get in there, Holly. Get in there, that net.
There we go. Good
Woo!
work.
Got it all on action.
Good work.
So,
This is
We-
the fish that we caught.
yes.
It is glorious.
I'm now
And we are
eating it.
eating it now. This is like the
I
exact
had
fish that we
that
caught.
already.
How's the trout, Ash?
Nice.
You okay with the trout, Holly?
I wanted to get it over and done with, so I finished my whole cake already.
Why?
Because I don't like trout.
Did you?
But I wanted to have some further on it.